Artificial intelligence really isn't some futuristic sci-fi thing anymore. It's moving at this incredible speed, jumping out of research labs and right into the phones in our pockets, the tools we use for work every single day. So let's just dive right in and see what that actually looks like. But first, I want to start with a question for you. What if you never forgot a conversation ever? I mean, not a single name, not a date, not one tiny detail. What would that change for you? Just hang on to that thought because that's exactly where all of this is heading.
All right, so here's the game plan. We're going to start with how AI is getting super personal. We're talking devices you can actually wear and carry. Then, we'll look at the smarter services you're probably already using. After that, we'll zoom out to the brains behind the bots that are powering whole industries. And finally, we'll get into how you can unlock your very own AI edge.
Okay, first up, AI gets personal. This is all about how artificial intelligence is being built directly into the hardware, the stuff we use and touch every single day. And this brings us right back to that question I asked you. Get this, a couple of Harvard dropouts are building AI-powered smart glasses that, and I mean this literally, listen to and record everything you say and hear. It gives you transcriptions in real time, basically turning your entire life into a searchable database. The whole idea is for it to be your personal, always-on memory assistant. And look, this isn't just some wacky experiment. Google is going all in, embedding some serious AI horsepower right into its new Pixel 10 phones. At the heart of it is a custom Google AI chip that powers everything, from smarter, smoother interactions to an enhanced camera that helps you snap pro-level photos without even trying.
It's even showing up in our headphones. Google's Pixel Buds are getting this major Gemini glow-up using their really powerful Gemini AI model. This means the AI isn't off in some cloud somewhere. It's right there in your ear, giving you better noise cancellation, and this is the really cool part, faster real-time language translations. I mean, think about it, a personal translator ready to go whenever you are.
So this really gets to the heart of the matter with all this personal AI, right? On one hand, you've got this amazingly helpful memory assistant, a tool to make us smarter, more capable. But on the other, does the idea of an always-on recording device just feel a little too creepy? That's the question we're all going to have to wrestle with.
Okay, so let's shift gears from the physical devices we hold to the digital services we use every day. Let's see how AI is quietly upgrading the apps you already have on your phone.
Just take Google Search, for example. Google is now making AI conversations from other platforms, like xAI's Grok, completely searchable. What that means for you is that you can find insights from an AI chat right there in your search results, without ever having to go digging through that other platform. It's a huge move to make all this AI-generated knowledge instantly available to pretty much everyone.
And this next one just perfectly shows the huge leap we're taking. Think about editing a photo. The old way, right? You had all these complex sliders for brightness, contrast, saturation. You kind of had to know what you were doing. Well, the new AI way in Google Photos, you just talk to it. You say, make it brighter, or crop out the background, and poof, it just happens. That whole technical barrier, it's just gone.
All right, now let's zoom out. We've seen the personal devices, we've seen the apps. Now let's go behind the curtain and look at the foundational AI models that actually power all of this. This is about the brains behind the bots.
And just to give you a sense of the scale we're talking about here, think about this number, $45 million. Just let that sink in. That's how much a company called Field AI just raised. A number that big tells you there's a massive bet being placed on what's coming next. So what's that $45 million for? Well, Field AI has this ridiculously ambitious mission. They want to create a single, universal AI brain that can power all kinds of different robots. The goal is to make robots smarter and way more useful across every industry you can think of. A funding blitz like this is a huge sign that smarter bots aren't just coming, they're coming everywhere. And it's not just about robots either. The company Anthropic is making it way easier for big companies to jump on the AI bandwagon. They're now bundling their powerful Claude AI directly into their enterprise plans. And this is a big deal because it helps businesses adopt and customize these powerful AI tools for their own needs and do it much more quickly and safely.
So as you can see, all of this is happening at an incredible pace, which brings us to our final and maybe most important section, unlocking your AI edge. Why should any of this matter to you, and what can you actually do about it?
First, let's just be clear on what we mean by the AI edge. Simply put, it's the advantage you get by actively using these new tools. It's all about leveraging AI to boost your own productivity, your creativity, and your skills so you can stay ahead in a world that is changing very, very fast. So how do you actually start building that edge?
Well, here are just a few real-world examples of tools you can check out right now. If you're a coder, you've got GitHub Copilot, which is basically an AI partner that helps you write code. If you're a student or a researcher, tools like Elicit and Consensus can read and summarize scientific papers in seconds. And for just about anyone, Perplexity AI is like a search engine you can have a conversation with that actually shows you its sources.
And really, this quote just brings it all home. In this new world, staying smart, staying competitive, it's not just about what you already know. It's about how well you can use these incredible new tools to amplify your own abilities, whether that's at work, in your creative pursuits, or anywhere else.
And that leaves us with one final really big question to chew on. As AI becomes our memory, our personal assistant, and even our creative collaborator, what's the part that's left for us? What becomes our unique, essential human contribution? That's the real question as we all step into this new world together.